Hi, today we are going to see FSSAI question paper which is conducted on 2019 for the post technical officer in Tamil Nadu zone. Question number 1. The full form of NPOP is National Program for Organic Production. BIS is a statutory organization which came into existence on 1st April 1987. FSS Regulations 2016 on health supplements and nutraceuticals prohibit psychotropic substances. Certificates provided by EIC for various products like fish, dairy, meat, poultry, etc. are mandatory. As per the implementations of FSS Regulations 2016, FBOs are directed to use certain ingredients in their products as general ingredients without claiming any health benefits. These include Salvia hispanica. EIC is headed by Chairman, and the abbreviation for EIC is Export Inspection Council of India. FSS Act prohibits sale of certain products. These include carbide, hazen, ripening of fruits. EIC is a certification body of India which ensures quality and safety of products exported from India. The logo found on organic product is called Jaivik Bharat. The Marine Products Export Development Authority is a statutory body functioning under the Department of Commerce. Sale of common salt is restricted unless it is iodized. According to FSS Act, sale of certain admixtures are prohibited. These include milk containing added water. Specific requirements for labeling of an alcohol beverage include declaration of alcohol content. According to FSS Act, the full form of COA is Certificate of Analysis. Vertical issues of FSS Act includes water, flavored water and beverages. Flavored tea shall be sold only by those manufacturers who are registered with Tea Board. Kodak's elementary standards are used by Kodak members to protect consumers' health and ensure fair practices in the food trade. Committee that evaluate food additives, contaminants, naturally occurring toxicants and residues of veterinary drug in food is called as JECFA, and the abbreviation of JECFA is Joint Expert Committee on Food Additives, that is joint in the meaning FAO and WHO. Production development of small and large cardamom is the primary function of spice board, but the answer given is a rubber board. It's a wrong one. The same question is repeated in a different way at the question number 25. We'll see that question later. As per the implementation of FSS Regulation 2016, FBOs are directed to withdraw products from the market immediately if it contains ingredients such as vanadium. Agricultural and Processed Food Products Export Development Authority have its headquarters at New Delhi. EIC certification for food items like fish, meat, dairy and honey are mandatory. International Organization for Standardization is a non-governmental organization. Agreement on technical barriers to trade applies to all commodities, not just food. The primary function of the Spice Board includes protection and development of small and large cardamom. Thank you. Tomorrow we will see the next 25 questions in part 2 video. If you have any doubts, you can ask in the comment section. And if you're okay with this video or you want to change anything in upcoming videos, you can let me know that also in the comment section. Thank you so much.